ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। वेदांत परिभाषा पेज नंबर 193 इन टीका आलोक प्रतिबिंबे गगन प्रतिबिंबितत्व व्यवहारस्य ब्रह्ममात्र मूलकतया बिंबस्य प्रतिबिंब स्थानाभावनियमस्य भंगाभावात् ब्रह्म प्रतिबिंबो न युक्तः। दिस इज अवच्छेदवाद पक्ष। According to them, this is not elaborated or even mentioned in the Moolam. And I referred to 3 different tikas. None of them talks about this. And there is some clarity, abhava, lack of clarity. But let us see what is there as much as we can understand. Aloka pratibimbe, there is Purvapaksha here, Avachedavadi says, there is no Gagana pratibimba. When you say Akasha is Pratibimbita, Akasha is nothing but Aloka only, Prakash. Prakash Pratibimba, you think it is Gagana Pratibimba. So that Vyavahara as Gagana Pratibimba is only Brahmamatra. Brahmamatra Mulakataya, 1. And Bimbasya Pratibimba Sthana Abhava Niyamasya Bhanga Abhavat. The niyama is where bimba is, pratibimba cannot be there. Because pratibimba has to exist in other desha. So, where bimba is, pratibimba sthana abhava. Bimba is not present in pratibimba sthana. This is the niyama. Bimbasya pratibimba sthana abhava niyama. Asya niyamasya bhanga abhavat. The Purvapakshi said, because this niyama bhanga is there, I will give you Akasha Drashtanta. That Grivastha Mukha is Parichinna. But this is Aparichinna, Akasha. Purvapakshi here says, here also that Niyama Bhanga has not taken place. Niyama will be true. Because actually it is not Gagana Pratibimba at all. Therefore, since Gagana Pratibimba is not possible, Brahma Pratibimba is also not possible. Na yuktaha. Brahma Pratibimbo na yuktaha. Nanu. So up to this is okay. Now this next sentence. Brahmandantarvarti tattad antakaranopādhibhis tad antarvartitvena antarvartitvena. Here it is given antarvarti chaitanyasya. Antarvarti chaitanyasya. Brahmandantarvarti tattad antakaranopādhibhis tad antarvarti chaitanyasya सर्वात्मना जीव भावेन अवच्छेदात्. तद अवच्छेद रहित चैतन्यात्मकस्य ईश्वरस्य ब्रह्मांडांतर सत्वापत्तिः अत्रापि समाना इति चेत न ब्रह्मांडांतरवर्ती तत्तद अंतःकरण in brahmanda whatever number of antakaranas are there in each antakarana which is the upadhi antakarana upadhi bihi in that upadhi there is one chaitanya which is avachinna. Instead of saying pratibimbita he says chaitanya is avachinna tattad antarvarti chaitanyasya. So antakarana upadhi avachinna chaitanya सर्वात्मना जीव भावेन अवच्छेदात. That chaitanya which is sarvarupa, how the question here is this: how do you understand this is Chaitra Jiva, this is Maitra Jiva, this is Devadatta Jiva, this is Yajnadatta Jiva? As far as Chaitanya is concerned, there is only one. That Chaitanya is Sarvatma Rupa. So he says, Tattad Antakarana Upadibhihi Avachedar. That Antakarana, by that Upadibhihi Tritiya Karana. Upadibhihi Avachedat, there is Jiva Bhava. Chaitra Jiva Bhava in that Antakarana. Maitra Jiva Bhava in that Antakarana. Jiva Bhava belongs to Chaitanya, but Avachedaka is Antakarana. Jiva Bhavena Avacheda. Tad Avacheda Rahita Chaitanya. There where Avachedaka Antakarana is not there. So Avacheda Rahita Chaitanyatmakasya Ishwarasya. That Ishvara is also going to be in the same Brahmanda. He is also Brahmanda Antarvarti. So Ishvarasya Brahmanda Antar Satvapattihi Atrapi Samana. So the question is, you said where Bimba is, Pratibimba cannot be there. Okay, so where Jiva Avachedaka is there, Ishwar Avachedaka cannot be there. Ishwar is Bimba Sthaniya, Jiva is Pratibimba Sthaniya. But where Ishwara is, Jiva also has to be there. That Chaitanya, Upadhi, Antakarana Upadhi will make it Jiva Chaitanya. Without Antakarana Upadhi, it is Ishwara Chaitanya. It is same in that same Brahmanda. So here that Apatti is there, Samana, iti chet. Avidyashraya, na. Answer is no. Avidyashrayatva Antakarana Samvalita Tva Adi Upadhikat Jivat Bhinnasya Avidya Vishayatva Antakarana Asamvalita Tva Upadhikasya Antaryamena Ishwarasya Brahmandantara Avasthana Sambhavat. Avidyashrayatva Antakarana Sambhalitattvadi Upadhika. So in Chedavada, according to Bhamati Mata, what is the ashraya of avidya?
Jiva.
And what is the vishaya of avidya?
Brahma.
So see this line now. Avidya ashrayatva antakarana samvalitattvadi upadhika jivat. Jiva is avidya ashraya. Avidya ashrayatva antakarana samvalitattvadi upadhika jivat. Different from that is Ishvara. Bhinnasya Ishvarasya. Who is Ishvara? Avidya Vishayatva Antakarana Samvalitattvadi Upadikasya Antaryamina Ishvarasya. So they create Bheda in this way. One has Avidya Ashraya, another has Avidya Vishaya. So it is not the same. So they can coexist. This is their samadhanam. If somebody says, I don't agree with this idea that avidya is the ashraya of jiva, then there is more discussion. But so how did they solve the problem? By saying that jiva is only avidya ashraya. That is the pratibimba. And bimba is avidya vishaya. Avidya, avidyayaha vishaya. Avidya vishaya is Ishvara. And that is antakarana asamvalita. Jiva is antakarana samvalita. Jiva is associated with antakarana. Ishvara is not associated with any antakarana. So because of this bheda, antakarana doesn't become upadhi of Ishvara, and he has avidya vishayatvam, and jiva has avidya ashrayatvam. So they can coexist in the same Brahmanda. Brahmanda Shabda is used for that sthana, because the bimbasya pratibimba sthana abhavaniyama. So here Brahmanda is a sthana. Brahmanda is same. Bimba sthana is also Brahmanda. Pratibimba sthana is also Brahmanda. So he created difference by using different avachedaka. And what about karya upadhi and karana upadhi? Because jiva is supposed to be karya upadhi associated and Ishvara should be karana upadhi associated. We said that is still valid. Nacha karyopadhirayam jivaha karanopadhir Ishvara iti vakya virodha. That shruti vakya virodha is not there. Here also jiva is having karya upadhi. Ishvara has karana upadhir yasya saha karana upadhi. Similarly, karya upadhir yasya. Tasya paksha dvaya api tulyatvad. So here antakarana is karya. So therefore karya upadhi. And what is the karana upadhi?
Avidya.
So there is no virodha. Tasya paksha dvaya api tulyatvad. In Pratibimbavada or Avachedavada, this idea remains the same. Karana avacchinnasya karya anavacchinnatva badhaka bhava. Karana avachinna is Ishvara, is not karya avachinna, is karya anavachinna. Is not avachinna by antakarana. Therefore, there is no badhaka in this. Shruti virodha, he says, nacha asmin pakshe shruti virodha. There is no shruti virodha in this paksha. He gives two Brahma Sutras. Bhashyakarair eva, ata eva cha iti sutram vyakhyaya. Ata eva cha is a sutra. Sutra number 18. Ata eva cha upama surya kadivat. This is the sutra. They have given only one part. This we saw earlier. Abhasa eva cha and ata eva cha upama surya kadivat. So he says at that time, सूत्रम व्याख्याय सूर्यादिवत आत्मनः प्रतिबिंबो न युज्यते. In that भाष्यकार has said, भाष्यकार he says, भाष्यकार has not said what he is saying. He says भाष्यकार has said सूर्यादिवद आत्मनः प्रतिबिंबो न युज्यते. Just as how Surya pratibimba is there, Atma pratibimba is not possible. Therefore, Pratibimbavada is not valid according to Bhamati Mata. No yujyate pratibimba. Tad akshepakatvena ambuvat agrahana tu na tathatvam. This next sutra 19 he has given. न जल सूर्यकादि तुल्यत्वम इहोपपद्यते तद्वद अग्रहणात्. Bhashyakar has given, when we study these sutras, then it will come. He is just quoting this much part, that Surya is Murta, Atma is Amurta. Surya Pratibimba has to take place in Viprakrishta Desha. So this kind of Pratibimba Drashtanta is not possible in Atma. In Surya it is possible. That is what is said there. So he gives that here. सूर्यादिवद आत्मनः प्रतिबिंबो न युज्यते इति तद आक्षेपकत्वेन अंबुवद अग्रहणात् तु न तथात्वम. This is said in 19th sutra. Iti sutra vyakhyaya, having given this introduction to sutra, he says this drashtanta of Surya is ayukta in 19th sutra. And in 20 he says वृद्धि ह्रास भागत्वम अंतर्भावाद उभय सामंजस्याद एवं. This is yukta. This drashtanta is appropriate. Appropriate to what extent? Sutre ukta anupapattim angikrityeva. He says this anupapatti is accepted, and anupapattim of the drashtanta, श्रुति उक्त दृष्टान्तस्य सोपाधिकस्य आत्मनो वृद्धि ह्रासादि भागत्वम न निरुपाधिकस्य. सोपाधिक आत्मा will have वृद्धि means growth, ह्रास means decay, then वृद्धि ह्रास भागत्वम. So like moon can have growth and decay, not sun. In case of Pratibimba, greater water, when water reduces, the reflection amount can reduce. So Surya Pratibimba will have Vriddhi Hrasa. It is Sopadhika, natu Nirupadhikasya. Nirupadhikasya Atmanaha Vriddhi Hrasadi Bhaktvam na. सोपाधिकस्य तु अस्ति इति प्रदर्शनार्थम न च आत्मा प्रतिबिंबित इति अभिहितत्वात्. Atma is not pratibhimbita. According to Bhamati Mata, Atma pratibimba is not there. So Pratibimbavada, according to them, is not valid. And Brahadaranyaka Bhashyadau Pratibimba Rupena Pravesho na Sambhavati iti uktatvat. He is quoting only that much part, that in Brahadaranyaka Bhashya it is said Pratibimba Rupena Pravesho na Sambhavati. This is what is said. Iti uktatvacha iti sankshepah. Up to here is that paksha. Vistarastu anyatra drashtavya. If you want to know more about avachedavada, you have to study Bhamati basically. Bhamati Bhashya, Bhamati Tika on Brahma Sutra Bhashya has some of these topics explained more. In Ratnaprabha Tika, there is not much Tika on this. Like 19th Sutra, there are less than 2 lines. In 20th Sutra, 6 lines, 7 lines, that's it. So there isn't much. Anyway, this is one matam, avachedavad matam. Earlier we saw pratibhimbavad. Now he says in Tika further, Moola kartuhu api ayameva paksho abhipreta. He says Moolakara means actual Vedanta Paribhashakara prefers avachedavada, not pratibhimbavad. How do you say? He says in pratyaksha paricheda ईश्वर साक्षी इत्यादि प्रकरणे एतत् पक्षस्य स्वसम्मतत्वेन सूचितत्वात्. In प्रत्यक्ष प्रकरण, प्रत्यक्ष प्रमाण प्रकरण, परिच्छेद, ईश्वर साक्षी इत्यादि, when that topic was discussed, जीव साक्षी, ईश्वर साक्षी. So when you use avachedavada etc., this Ishvara Sakshi will be different, Jiva Sakshi will be different. So, Etat Pakshasya Swasammatattvena. This is his Paksha. That is how he had Suchita. With this, Tat Padartha Nirupanam is complete. Tat Padartha Nirupanam Upasamharans Tvam Padartha Nirupanam Pratijanite. Thus, Tvam Padartha Nirupanam having completed, Tadevam Tad Padartho Nirupitaha. Now, Idanim Tvam Padartho Nirupyate. Now, Tvam Padartha Vichara begins. In Tvam Padartha, Eka Jiva Bahujiva Vada is the first discussion. Tatra Eka Jiva Vade Tat Swarupam Aha. In Eka Jiva Vada, its Swarupa is given. एक जीववादे अविद्या प्रतिबिंबो जीवा. In एक जीववादे अविद्या प्रतिबिंब is जीवा and bimba is Ishvara. Ishvara doesn't have avidya. There is only one upadhi and one jiva. Tika. Avidyayaha, now there is no elaboration on ekajivavada, but all the references, all the quotations of Bahujivavada are given. And it is shown, see, in so many places Bahujivavada is explained. Therefore, Ekajivavada is not relevant or not acceptable to some. Avidyayaha ekatvena tat pratibimbasya jivasya api ekatva auchityad iti bhava. This is Ekajivavada vakya. If avidya is one, tat pratibimba, which is jiva, also will have ekatva only. Ekatva auchityad iti bhava. Now someone says, tad yo devanam pratyabudhyata sa eva tadabhavat tatharshinam tatha manushyanam. So here, yo devanam, among devatas, among rishis, among manushyas. Where is the question of Ekajiva? There are so many varieties. 1, 4, 10, Brahadaranyaka. Context can be anything. Purvapaksha here, Purvapaksha to Ekajivvada will say, see, Upanishad says there are yo devanam, means many devas. Tad tatha rishinam, many rishis. Manushyanam, many manushyas. There is no Ekajiva. Then, yatha agnehe kshudra visfulinga vicharanti. एवमेव एतस्माद् आत्मनः सर्व एव आत्मानः विचरन्ति. This came in Brahma Sutra, and I mentioned Atmanah and Atmanah, both readings are there. You see now here. Atmanah sarva eva Atmanah. Atmanah, which vibhakti you have to take?
आत्मानः is प्रथम विभक्ति बहुवचनम.
Atmanah is which vibhakti?
पंचमी एकवचन.
Atmanah will be Panchami. Atmanah sarve eva Atmanah. Atmanah, Atmanah. Atma, what is Atma then? Which Atma is Paramatma?
Atmanah is Paramatma.
And Atmanah is what is the vibhakti there?
Prathama Bahuvachanam.
And what is that Atma?
Jivas.
Jiva. So from one Paramatma, Ekvachan Paramatma, many Jivatmas vicharanti. Like from one Agni, many sparks. Ityadi Shrute. So here he says, see, many Jivas. Bahujivavada is there. Mame vaye prapadyante maya metam tarantite. What is the use of this smriti here?
ते जीवात्मानः परमात्मानं मायां तरन्ति. परमात्मानं
Paramatmanam tarante.
पकड़ के.
No. Here, simple thing. Te taranti. Te is Bahuvachanam. That's all. All he is doing is showing quotations where there are Bahujivas. There is no other thing. Wherever there is Bahuvachanam for Jiva, that will do Bahujivavada Pushti. That's all. Ityadi smrite. Bhogena tu itare kshapaitva sampadhyante. All he wants is Bahuvachanam. See, Bhogena tu itare. Itare, all the others. Sampadhyante Bahuvachanam. That's all. This is Brahma Sutra. Ityadi Sutra. So Shruti, Smriti, Sutra, they all use Bahuvachanam. Such a Swatma Bhutan Iva घटाकाश स्थानीय विद्योपस्थापित नाम रूपकृत कार्य कारण संघाघ संघातानुरोधिनो जीवाख्यान विज्ञानात्मनः प्रति इष्ट. स्वात्म भूतान इव घटाकाश स्थानीय. सो दिस घटाकाश स्थानीय स्वात्मभूत अविद्या उपस्थापित नाम रूपकृत कार्य कारण संघात अनुरोधिनो जीव. कार्य कारण संघात इज देयर. स्थूल शरीर, सूक्ष्म शरीर, एक्सेट्रा. अनविद्या. स्वात्मभूतान
स्थानीयान अविद्या.
स्थानीय स्थानीय
स्थानीयान अविद्या.
स्वात्मभूत भूतान इव घटाकाश स्थानीयान अविद्योपस्थितान अविद्योपस्थापितान अविद्या उपस्थापित नाम रूप कार्यकरण संघात अनुरोधिनो जीवाख्यान. So they are घटाकाश स्थानीयान जीवान. स्थानीय
Jiva.
Ghat, so those who in your book Ghatakasha Sthaniya, you can make it just one more line, Avidyopasthapita. Ghatakasha Sthaniya Avidyopasthapita. One more line is needed. Ghatakasha Sthaniya Avidyopasthapita. Nama Rupa Samasa, everything. नाम रूपकृत कार्य कारण संघात अनुरोध दिनो. कार्य करण part is also there, कार्य कारण part is also there. And घटाकाश स्थानीय अविद्या means घटाकाश स्थानीयान समास विग्रह if you do. स्वात्म भूतान घटाकाश स्थानीयान जीवाख्यान. अविद्योपस्थापित नाम रूपकृत कार्य कारण संघातानुरोधिन जीव. विज्ञानात्मान, they are called विज्ञानात्मा जीव, they are बहुवचनम. So प्रति इष्टः स is बहुजीववाद, स च इष्टः इत्यादि भाष्याद अनंत जीव निर्भासास्पदम एकरसम ब्रह्म. One Brahma expressing as many jivas. Aneka jiva nirbhasa. Nirbhasa avasa. Iti Padmapadacharya uktehe. Padmapadacharya uktehe cha eka jivavado ayukta. And therefore eka jivavada is ayukta. Padmapadacharya ji has said only up to this, okay? Brahma iti, up to this is his vakya. So he said, therefore, eka jivavada is ayukta, iti abhipratyaha aneka jivavada. So there always will be people who will prefer aneka jivavada. Aneka jivavade antakarana is pratibimba. In eka jivavada, अविद्या प्रतिबिंबो जीव. अनेक जीवादे अंतःकरण प्रतिबिंब इस जीव. In Shruti Smriti, majority of in Ekajivavada, I think in Siddhanta Bindu it will come. Ekajivavada. In few sessions it will come. Somebody will ask that so many Shruti Smriti Vakyas are all talking about Bahujiva. How do you say Ekajiva? Ekajivavada's answer is very simple. They say this is just Anuvada of Laukika Buddhi. Srishti Vakya is what? Anuvada of Laukika Buddhi. Bahujivavada is what? Anuvada of Laukika Buddhi. People, those who don't think, and they just go with Bahujivavada. So it is just, Shruti is not doing Pratipadanam of Bahujivavada. Shruti is just going with how common man thinks. And then so many other points are also there. They all are answered. Ekajivavada has their answers. Somebody will say, but in Ekajivavada, one jiva is there, then where is the question of Shukadeva and Vamadeva and their realization? They say all this is Arthavada only. There is no other jiva. But you have to remember, when a person says Ekajivavada, that much Vairagya is required. That much stability of Buddhi is needed. Fluctuating Buddhi, lack of Vairagya, mind going here and there, no control, and that person says Ekajivavada, Ekajivavada. That person is not going to be digesting Ekajivavada. That person is fit only for Bahujivavada. Person who has robust intellect, That mind, sense organs are all under the control of that intellect alone. And that intellect is Shastra Samskara Sampannam. For that person who has lot of Upasana Sanskara also, for that person, Ekajivavada will make perfect sense. Because all those Vakyas, he can understand it for himself. Speaking Ekajivavada, and then not able to support that through one's intellection or having control over the mind, senses, etc. If that is not there, Bahujivada is good. It is going to give lot of comfort. See tika further. Idam upalakshanam avidya avachinno jiva iti matasya api. In Ekajivavada also, avidya avachinna is jiva. Everybody else that you see is antakarana avachedaka. Antakarana is avachedaka for others. Maya bhihi, Indro Maya bhihi bahurupa. So Maya bhihi iti bahuvachanad. Avidyayas tat shaktirva nanatvat. Jiva nanatvam. Maya bhi is bahuvachanam. And therefore, avidyayaha tat shakteheva nanatvat. Avidya or avidya shakti has nanatvat. You say there is one avidya, okay, many shaktis are there, or avasthas of avidya, and therefore, jiva nanatvam, there are many jivas. Ajam ekam, iti ekvachanam is there, somebody will say. Say ekvachanam tu jati abhipraya, jatya abhiprayatam. There is one jati, avidya jati. One avidya jati is there in many avidya shakti. And karyopadirayam jivaha, he said, nacha karyopadirayam jiva iti vakya virodha. There is no virodha. Why? Samahitatva. It is samahita. So one jiva is there, sadhan chatushtaya sampanna. Swam apito bhavati. Yesterday we saw this in Sarva Vedanta. Swam apito bhavati. He attains himself. Apitaha apigato bhavati. Iti shrutistu. Tadanim antakarana laye kartruttvadi abhavad upapanna. The shruti number is not correct. 681 it should be. Tadanim antakarana laye, at the time of sushupti antakarana laye. Kartruttvadi abhavad. At that time there is no kartrutva, so therefore upapanna. Upapanna means yogya, it is appropriate. In sushupti, all will attain the same self. So somebody will say in sushupti there is only one. So in Jagrat Swapna also, really it is only one. Antakarana is active, therefore Antakarana Veda is there. If Jiva means Chidabhasa, and you want to say there are many Jivas, if you can work the system with only one Jiva, one Chidabhasa and many Antakarana, then why do you want more Chidabhasas? Many Antakaranas, that is enough. Gatyadikam api ativahika sharira gamanadi prayuktam iti avirodha. This is all Brahma Sutra language. all these shabdas, they have Brahma Sutras. Gati. Gati means ihaloka paraloka gamanam. This gati, how will you justify that one jiva is here, another jiva is somewhere? So there is ativahika sharira. Ativahika sharira means that sharira which is made up of sukshma amsha of panchikrita panchamahabhuta. Sukshma amsha of panchikrita panchamahabhuta, that sharira which is a wrapper around sukshma sharira. Sukshma sharira is there, around it there is a wrapper. Then that sharira goes everywhere. So when it is said Sukshma Sharir goes from one Sharir to another, only Sukshma Sharir doesn't go. There is a wrapper. Wrapper is from Panchikrita Panchamahabhuta of the current body. It will take, it will go. Then it will drop. Then it will take new one. It will go like that. Iti avirodha. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shantihi Shantihi Shantihi.